you know? The Antarctic Snow Cruiser, nicknamed the Turtle, was a specialized American vehicle used for exploring Antarctica in 1940. It was built to withstand extreme cold and rough terrain, and was equipped with a kitchen, toilet, and sleeping quarters. It was a vehicle that captured the public's imagination and made sensational headlines. However, due to a rushed rollout and an embarrassing 3-week trek from Chicago to Boston, which was supposed to take 3 days, it moved way slower than predicted, getting stuck in mud for several days and causing major traffic jams wherever it went. Due to the sheer size and its 10 feet tall smooth tractionless tires, which was a bizarre decision in hindsight, it was practically useless as soon as it arrived on the surface of Antarctica's extreme snowy terrain. Crew members resorted to driving backwards to get any sort of movement, which in turn caused it to move even slower before admitting defeat. It was permanently parked as a research lab and then abandoned. The whereabouts of the Antarctic Snow Cruiser is unknown. It's possible that it's buried in layers of snow and ice or sank to the bottom of the ocean.